So one of the first things we should look at in PowerShell is how to open PowerShell as the administrator. This is fairly straightforward. I tend to like having my apps pinned down here to my taskbar, as you can see. So usually that's where I'm going to find my PowerShell icon. For most people, chances are you're not going to have that there yet. So the first thing you need to do is simply go to the Start menu. And as soon as you go to the Start menu, all you have to do is start typing in the word PowerShell. Notice that the Start menu automatically searches for whatever it is you're typing, so you get down to the results you want. From here, I can either just right-click on PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator, or in my case, since I like to pin it to the taskbar, I'm simply going to go down and choose Pin to Taskbar. Notice that once I do that, if I come down here to my taskbar, I will now see my PowerShell icon. Now all I have to do is simply go down and right-click on it, and I'll get a few different options. I have Run as Administrator. I also have some other options which we'll talk about later. If for some reason you do not see Run as Administrator, which if you're running a different version of Windows could be the case, you might need, instead of just right-clicking on it, to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then right-click on it. Notice I get a different menu with Run as Administrator up near the top. Running PowerShell as administrator is important because many of the things that you're going to do with PowerShell require administrative rights on the computer. So before you can do much with PowerShell, you need to make sure that you have administrative rights on your computer. A key visual indicator that you have opened PowerShell as an administrator, if you notice right here in the title bar, we have Administrator, and then it says Windows PowerShell. It's a very good indicator that you've done it correctly. If you do not have administrative rights to your computer, you need to get them in order to be able to do most of the major tasks that you can carry out with PowerShell. I'll see you in the next video.